Hello and welcome back to this special video today which I'm making for you all people, where I'm going to discuss about four stocks. Yes, I am going to discuss about four stocks which are showing great momentum on the charts and look at their price action. So before starting about the four stocks, what I would like to say you is take this video as an educational video. Take this video as an educational video where I am going to share with you detailed information about the this four stocks, and then you make your own analysis and you make your positions or as you think comfortable, or you watch the stock. So do not take my information as a buying recommendation or a sell recommendation. Take this as an informative source and then you make your own decision. So let's begin with the four momentum stocks which I have recorded for my purpose, where I think I might make some position. This is a disclaimer to you all, and also I am not a SEBI registered analysis. This is again one more big disclosure for you. So take this as an informative video. So the very first stock which is showing great momentum and the great news popping up yesterday was the one of its subsidiary has filed a draft for an initial public offer. So the name of the stock is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. The current market price of the stock is 571 rupees. So as you can see in front of your screen, this is a monthly chart, and look at the volumes which have happened after 2020. Like in 2020, in the month of May, June, look at the huge volume bars over there, and then the volume came down. But look at the price of the stock price was intact in a channel of somewhere in the range of 500, and now it is trying to break this channel, and the current market price stands to 571 rupees. See, the stock has come out of this channel because there's a big news in the stock that one of its subsidiary has filed for an IPO. So let's take out what can be the targets of this stock. So I have placed a Fibonacci, I've deployed a Fibonacci on this chart, and you can see that the very first target, which is there of 915 as per Fibonacci, which is here. But this is going to be a big resistance for the stock, this level. So my very first target for this stock is going to be 700 rupees. The very first target for this stock is going to be 700 rupees. The next target is going to be 930 rupees, which is here. The next target is going to be 930 rupees. So target 1 700, target 2 930 rupees. Now if someone makes a position in this stock, see, understand one thing, this is a long term chart, so the stop loss also comes very high. So stop loss for the stock is going to see ATR is 81, so 571 minus 81, and somewhere around you can take your stop loss. But as per me, the stop loss shall be very well can be placed at the levels of 490 rupees. So according to me, the stop loss shall be somewhere below 490 rupees. So for the very first stock, I am going to give you brief details in summarized form. The stock name is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Current market price is 571 rupees 90 paise. The very first target for me is 700 rupees. The next target is going to be 930 rupees. And if it crosses 930, if it crosses 930 precisely with good volumes, then we shall take an update on the stock, wherein the next target which will be coming around is 1200 rupees, and the stop loss for the stock will be 400, somewhere below 490 rupees. So this was about the first stock. The view on the stock shall be of more than 6 to 7 months, because this is a monthly chart. You can check on daily charts and make a short term view also, but as per me, for a long term view that is of more than 6 to 7 months, the stop loss should be below 490 rupees. So this was about the very first stock from the pharma industry, and the next stock which I want to discuss with you is Ambuja Cements. So let's check for Ambuja Cements. So this is the stock of Ambuja Cements in front of you. As you can see, the Ambuja Cement stock is running sideways, and Now it has come out of that zone, out of from 2015 to 2017, and then there was a downfall, and now the stock has come out of that zone. This is purely based on price action what I'm talking to you. And now if we deploy Fibonacci on it, then in case of Fibonacci, the very first target for the stock comes around 380 to 85 rupees. The next target is 535 rupees. Now, what is so beneficial for you? See, the price went to 320 and above level. Now the stock price is 300. So one can make a position because the stop loss will be, the range of stop loss can come little low. So the stop loss for the stock is 267 rupees. And very importantly, look at the volumes over here happening since October of 2020 till now. Look at the huge volume bars in the stock. This is there's something big happening in the stock. None other this, the news has not that yet come out, but whatever news, it can come out very soon because the lot of volume happening in the stock. The current market price of the stock is 300 rupees. The very first target 385, second target 535 for the stock, and the stop loss which you can maintain for a long term view of from more than 6 to 7 months is 200 and somewhere below 267 rupees. So this was the second stock from my side. Now coming to the third stock, the very brand new stock which has given a great of move on in the Friday session, that is DCM Shriram. So when you come to the charts of DCM Shriram, look at it. It's making a W pattern. Though the second downfall level of the was below 290, but see, it's not something like a W pattern happening in the stock, and now the stock is ready to make a new pattern over here. So it is also giving a good break on the charts. The current market price of the stock is 658 rupees. Remind you again, name of the stock, that is DCM Shriram Consolidated. The current market price is 650 rupees 50 paise. And what shall be your view should be of more than 6 to 7 months. The very first target which I can see in the stock is around 810 levels. See, Fibonacci levels are coming very high, but according to me, the very first target in the stock can be 810 levels, and then you can go for a second, that is 920 levels. So very first target in the stock 810 rupees, second target in the stock 920 rupees. So what should be your stop loss now in this stock if you invest for more than 6 to 7 months? See, the Friday session, the stock had shown a big move, so way you can make a you can look for some corrections in the stock and then decide accordingly what suits to you. So the stop loss in the stock is 570 rupees. The level of 570 shall be your stop loss. So the range of stop loss is low, very less in this stock, because it can turn out to be a failed breakout as well. So little cautious in this stock. Be a little cautious, and you can obviously invest in such good stocks. So coming to the fourth stock, that is JSW Energy. This stock is one of my favorites because it is volatile and I like such things, where you get good and handsome returns for a risk. So the current market price of the stock is 99 rupees 85 paise, and you can see this is a monthly chart, and the stock has come out of a zone. This is inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout happening in the last month, and the follow on buying is seen in the stock with this volume candle over here. You can see how big volumes are happening in this stock. Some big hands are behind this stock, which can make good money for us also. So the current market price of the stock is 99 rupees 85 paise. The very first immediate target for the stock, the very first immediate target for the stock is 130 to 35 rupees. Now, saying it again, the very first immediate target is 130 to 35 rupees. And if 135 is crossed precisely, again saying, if 135 is crossed precisely, the next target in the stock, which you can see, is 180 rupees. The next target is 180 rupees. What shall be your stop loss? See, stop loss should be somewhere below 87. Somewhere below 87. So 87 is here. You can place stop loss somewhere below this. As per Fibonacci, the stop loss is 84. You can place somewhere below 87. So these are the four stocks which I wanted to discuss with you, which are showing a great momentum on their charts, a huge volume buying happening in the stocks. But very importantly, all the views which I have shared are for long-term views. It is more than 6 to 7 months. Might happen due to the corona pandemic, the markets may fail and this stocks can go down. Then you should try to take a buying opportunity in the stocks which are showing growth momentum but fall because of some external factors. So what I'll do, I'll summarize everything once again, very short and very briefly. The very first stock which I discussed, that is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, current market price 571, the very first target 700, second target 930, stop loss of 490. If 930 is crossed precisely, we'll take an update on the stock and the next target will be 1200 rupees. The next stock which I would like to discuss is Ambuja Cements Limited. Ambuja Cements current market price is 300. The very first target 385, second target 535, and stop loss which you can take for a long term view is 267 rupees. The third stock, that is DCM Shriram, which has shown a great buying on this Friday's session. The current market price of the stock is 658. You can look for some corrections in the stock. And the very first target is 810 rupees. The second target is 920 rupees. And the stop loss which one can maintain in the stock for a long term view of more than 6 to 7 months is 570 rupees. And the last stock, the fourth stock which I want to discuss with you, and the very favorite stock of mine. And disclaimer, I have a position in the stock. So the stock name is JSW Energy Limited. The current market price is 99 rupees 85 paise. The very first target is 130 rupees. The very first target is 130 rupees. The second target is 180 rupees. And the stop loss which can maintain in the stock is somewhere below 87 rupees. So that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this session, and take this session as an educational session. I have shared with you my analysis on the stock. You make your own analysis and make your own decisions. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe, and happy investing. Thank you.